Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. A day in my life as a single mom. Look at my son. He's cooking for his food. Say hi, son. Say hi. Mag-hi ka ba? Hi. Mag-hi ka kasi nagba-vlog ako. Yes, ganito po yung buhay namin. This is my life. This is our life as a single mom. So they're cooking his own food and ang hirap naman pala mag-in-English. Oy, bakit ko pa pinalisod-lisod yung sitwasyon ko? Bisaya naman talaga ako. So anong ginagawa mo, son?
Luto pansit canton.
So he's cooking pansit canton. So, kumakain siya ng pansit canton and ako naman hindi ako kumakain ng kahit anong noodles. Yeah. I'm not eating noodles. Especially shrimp because I can't eat meat. I only eat vegetable. Yeah. So, yeah. Enjoy, son. Okay guys, yan lang po yung buhay namin. Yan lang po yung buhay namin. Napaka-simple po ng buhay namin. Malapit na yun siyang mag-aral sa Monday. Yan. Bye!